My name is Kaushila Gurung. My educational qualification is BA Pass. I have also done DLED and I have an experience of 12 years in teaching. I'm from Sikkim. I belong to East District Gangtok. Gangtok is the present capital of Sikkim. In 1894, the king of Sikkim, Thutop Namgyal, shifted the capital from North Sikkim to East Sikkim, Gangtok. The place where I have been posted at is Namak Junior High School. It is in North Sikkim. It comes under Mangan block. This district also has a historical importance. The third capital of Sikkim is here in North Sikkim. A treaty of Tumlong was signed here in between the British and the Chogels or kings of Sikkim. The problem I'm facing in my class is absenteeism. One or two students frequently remain absent in my class, and the thing which makes me worry is that the students who are irregular are the ones who are not very good at studies. So this is really a matter of concern because it creates learning gap in the students. The another problem I'm facing is related to English subject. I teach English in class 3 and 5. I try to create an English atmosphere by using a maximum English in and around my students, but even though they hesitate to speak in English, they wish or they feel comfortable to express themselves in their mother tongue or in local language. Most preferably they use common language, the local language, which is Nepali. Talking about the online training organized by JETII, various topics were discussed in the training, and most importantly NEP 2020 was discussed, and Bloom's taxonomy was also discussed. And we all know that 2020 was a year of virtual education, so in one of the sessions it was discussed also. And there was a program, there was an awareness program, there was a session on awareness program on coronavirus for students also. And besides these important topics, we various JETII ideas also had been discussed, like who am I, theme-based attendance, cheat game, wrong chart method, and so on. Talking about the trainings organized by JETII, I had attended 2 trainings before pandemic organized by JETII. It was organized at BSc level, and from those training I got to know about the various ideas developed by the teachers for the teachers. And from the online training also I came to know all the various more ideas of teaching we can use in our classroom to help the students to learn better. And also from this training I also came to know about the use of IPCT app. It is very easy to download and very easy to use. All this app contains all the JETII ideas, and if any teacher wants to share their ideas, he or she can use this app to share. Our trainer's name is Mr. Sayandeep. He is very supportive and he is always there to help, guide and motivate us. His charming personality even encouraged us to participate in every sessions. Uh, Thank you so much. I want to thank Mr. Sayandeep from the bottom of my heart for being understanding and have patience on me. Thank you so much, sir. I think our school should be selected as a role model school of our district because we have initiated new practices in our school. First, we have started our library. Even though we don't have a space for library room, but we are running it in our headmaster's office itself. And the other thing that we have introduced in our school is the introduction of challenge board. In the challenge board, what we do is we paste challenges for the kids. They participate and take away or win prizes every month. And this idea is appreciated by all those who have visited our school. Lastly, I would like to thank once again Mr. Sayandeep sir for being there to help us and to guide us in the entire training program. And also like to thank JIIEI for organizing trainings even at the time of pandemic, and also for sharing various JIIEI ideas through apps, and it will really help us in helping the children to learn better. Thank you.